grab ideas. Today we are gonna do something really interesting which everyone wants to do, known as slime. So this is a really easy recipe, guys. Like you will have the materials in your home. So like we are gonna make it with white glue. You can use Elmer's or Fevicol. Please subscribe to my channel and yeah, I need more subscribers. Like we are trying to reach 100. And yeah, let's go get back to the video because everyone will be anxious. Let's go. Things you will need will be needing a bowl, a spoon, be needing water, then you will be needing fabric detergent powder and fabric softener. I have mixed them together and put it in a cover and kept it like that in a box for 3 hours. So this is also you'll be needing, and that's all. Keep a bowl. First we remove this, which I've kept for almost 3 hours. So we will put it in the bowl. Mix it well. So like I have mixed for some time. Now you take your water and add your water to this. So 1 and 2. So let's mix it. Mix until the detergent has dissolved completely. We'll add our glue to this. So now I am adding my Fevicol. You can add Elmer's glue as well. So add this and then keep it for 2 hours. Let it set for 2 hours. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. Like it is started to form slime, but it will not stretch now. You will see it's like very liquidy kind of, but it does not stick to you. So like after this we will use a sedimentation process and remove the water and take out the slime. Then keep it in a plastic sheet and then press it, then you get it. So let it set for more 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour 50 minutes, 1 hour 50 minutes. But if you wanted to do it faster, you can just mix it. So then mix it. But I recommend to let it stay. Please to stay. 2 hours. 2 hours are over and like our slime is ready, but it's in pieces. So like I will give you a tip. Actually I have added the detergent powder which does not make slime and the fabric softener which does not make slime. I have mixed both together, and as you saw I had kept in this box. So if you want to see it again, go back to the video. But like I have made it, you can see it again. So the slime may be difficult in that, but you will get slime. So this is how it looks, but like now it's a bit messy. But what you need to do is open this plastic cover or any butter paper as well. Then we will use a sedimentation process to remove this from the water. Now come to the wash machine. So I'll take this Yeah, then pour it slowly. You must see that the slime does not fall. Like I have removed all the water and it looks like bits of paper. So let's first we take some this. I have some left water in the spoon. So I just put like this in the plastic sheet. And then put this thing in this. It is not slime still, but like it's kind of broken slime, you can say. So like after you do this, you'll be arranging it like this, putting this on top of this and placing it. Yeah, like this. Then you'll be kneading it. So let's do a time lapse. Here, like I have made it, kneaded it. This slime is best not for playing, but for cleaning your keyboards and all those. It has all slime properties except for stretching. Really. So like, you could press it. It really works. It's really bouncy. It's like. But it's really awesome. It's really impossible to make slime out of, which is not a slime activator first of all. It's like very you can use it for cleaning your keyboards. You can call it a crushed slime. This recipe was given by Aditi Sunil. And this recipe, I don't know, but it's used good for keyboard, but not for anything else. You can't play with this. Like you can only press and then you have to use it for keyboards. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Bye.